The next type of condition statement is the if-else statement. An if statement can be followed by an optional else statement which executes when the Boolean expression is false. In the previous scenario, when it was only if statement, if the number is more than 100, then only it will print. If the number is less than 100, so nothing was printed in this case. So this is the reason why else statement comes to the rescue. Let's try working with the if else statement now. Just print the numbers x1 and x2. Now I will use the same conditions. If x1 plus x2 greater than 100, so followed by a curly braces, then it will print is right over the value is greater than 100. If this statement is not fulfilled, then it will be else if. Then I'll check for another condition whether this sum is more than 80 or not. So let's just copy this. Instead of 100, I'll just make it 80. Then followed by a curly braces. Just a sec. Then I'll print the same statement. I'll just change a few words now. Just print press enter. Control V. Print the value is greater than, instead of 100 it will be changed to 80. Now let's try again else if. If this is more than 75, so let me put x1 plus x2 is greater than 75 or not. Again, braces will be opened. So I'll just put the print value is greater than 75. In the end, if this condition is not fulfilling the given requirement, so I'll just end our if else statement using else enter print the value is less than 75. Let's run this command now. The value is less than 75. Let me just update the value of x1 and x2. Let me put, okay, I'll just write down over here below that x1 be 60, x2 be 50. Okay, so x1 x2 are updated. I'll just copy this statement. So it We'll again check for the condition whether if x1 and plus x2 is greater than 100 or not. Yes. Okay, I think so. X2 is not yet updated. X2 is updated. Let's see. Here the value is coming. The value is greater than 100. Now, instead of using the numerical values, we will also check whether the string is there or not using the same if-else conditions. See, let's create a string x with a concatenate operator. Okay, so let me just add my comma name is comma Abhay. Let's print x. Okay, as you can see, x is updated as a character vector. Again, I'll just put if else statement now. If I want to see Abhay is there in x or not, so let me just put if. Okay, I'm just using the another case. Okay, I'm just taking Abhay as lowercase to check whether the string is there is or not. So you have to use in operator, percentage in. From where I want to check, I want to check in x, open the curly braces. Let's print again Abhay is found. If this is not fulfilling, this condition is not fulfilling, then you can use else. Print Abhay not found. Let's try to run this command. Abhay not found. Even though Abhay is same, but the characters are not matching because in our string Abhay is having an uppercase, but it is now while finding for Abhay, if you want to searching Abhay, and here it is lowercase. So this is the reason why we are getting our output as Abhay not found. Let's try some. Let's try to make it in another way. Abhay in X, so it will be is like true. Abhay is not found for first time. So here I'll just put else if now. I'll add one more condition. Okay. I'll just change the case of away from lowercase to uppercase. Let's print away found is found. It will be second time. for in first time, let me just put it as in second time. Then again an else print, just put a string not found. So I'll just run this query. Sorry, run this command. Abhay is found in second time. Let us try with some another case, putting x as -9. Again, if x is greater than 0, print non-negative number, else again open bracket, print negative number. Let's try to print this. Yes. So it is a negative number, it is printed. We'll see how to use this above statement in a similar way or different way, if you can see, if you can say. Yes. If x is greater than 0, print. So I'll just use this non-negative number. Print non-negative number, else print negative number. Let's try to hit control enter. So here also you can see it is printing as a negative number.